Welcome all to my channel. Very often, students find it difficult to use the words in its proper context. It is not easy to memorize each word, but when you use a word, make sure to know its meaning well. So, this video will help you to increase your vocabulary in a smart way. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. A word carries with itself four major domains, that is meaning, speaking, writing and grammar. Meaning is very important. Once you understand the meaning, you need to understand the close words of that particular word for which you are trying to find the meaning for. So is the antonym or the opposite for that particular word for which you are finding the meaning for. Hence, similar words and opposite words go hand in hand when you understand a meaning of a word. The next is the speaking. You are able to understand or pronounce that particular word correctly or not. When you find it difficult to pronounce a particular word, go to Google and click that particular word. You will find there a speaker icon. Click to the speaker icon and find its correct pronunciation. Now, grammar is also a very important aspect to understand a particular word. Suppose an adjective like a word loud. You can convert that word into an adverb. You need to understand how a word plays or changes its color with a sentence or in a sentence. Hence, it is important. Like brown. Brown is an adjective. It changes its color when I say brownie. It changes into noun. So it is important to make sure that which word you are using, understanding and putting into a sentence. The fourth is the writing. Are you writing that word correctly or not? Practice it more and more and you will master over it. The first word is amassed. Amassed. This word is a verb and the meaning of this word is to accumulate or to put something together. Synonym or the similar word for the word amassed is to pile up, to put something together. The antonym for the word amassed is to scatter or to spread. So the example of the word amassed in the sentence is the police amassed information against the gangster. Means the police gathered the information against the gangster. Now the second word is intervened. Intervened. This is a verb and the meaning of this word is to interfere or to interrupt. So the synonym of this word or the similar word for this word is involved. Antonym of this word or the opposite for this word intervened is to ignore or to avoid. So the example of this word is the man intervened when two people had an argument. When two people were involved in an argument, the man interrupted in between to solve the argument, right? So the third word is axiomatic. Axiomatic, which is an adjective. The meaning of this word is unquestionable, something which cannot be questioned. So the synonym or the similar word for axiomatic is self-evident or clear. The antonym for the word axiomatic is uncertain and something which is not sure. So the example of this word in a sentence is, it is axiomatic that gravity pulls everything down. So this is the theory which was given by Newton, that everything comes down because of the gravitational force. Now the fourth word is revered. Revered. This is a verb and the meaning of this word is respect. Giving respect to someone. Synonym or the similar word for revered is to admire, to look upon to someone. Antonym or the opposite word for revered is disregard or disrespect for someone. So the example of the word in the sentence is Mahatma Gandhi is revered as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi is respected by all as the father of the nation. So the fifth word is catastrophic. Catastrophic. This word is an adjective and the meaning of this word is extremely unfortunate. So the synonym or the similar word for catastrophic is unpleasant. The antonym for this word or the opposite word for catastrophic is delightful. The example of this word in a sentence is his mother's untimely death had a catastrophic effect on him. Means after the death of his mother, he had a very unpleasant experience.